Come on, see, we got work to do.
Doesn't make sense now. It just got real, things are getting intense now.
Oh, hey, welcome. It's Chellina Achol. We are here with my 2021 apartment tour, our new crib. I live in Laurie Hill East neighborhood. Let's go on down. It's carpeted floors. I'm not a big fan, but they're kind of soft, but I'm gonna change that. Stay tuned for that. Here is the entryway closet where my lovely guests will be putting their jackets, aka Asi and Alicia. I like the angled walls here that go all the way down. I'm gonna try and make this a gallery wall and maybe have an entry table over here too. Here is an exciting piece, this huge walk-in closet. I'm really excited to have a washer and dryer right here. I hate doing laundry, but hopefully this makes it a lot easier. Come on down. This huge bathroom all the way down. I got a full tub. The shower head, we'll see how that works. If not, change that out. Always down to change it. Huge mirror. I like the lighting. I love how big it is. I've got all this space. It like goes in. See that? See that? It's huge. It's huge. No Donald Trump. It's huge. And this is a studio space. So just got one big open section. Let me open the window so you guys can see the view. 612 to my city. There's another one here. AC unit, nice. Voila. Lovely. I'm still not sure what I want to do. I know I have to put a bed in here, a vanity, and a living room. And bar stools for a kitchen. We'll see. And then here is my lovely kitchen. Electric stove. Gas is better, but it'll do. At least it works. I got a dishwasher I'm excited about. Hopefully I don't keep any dishes. And I love how deep my sinks are. So even if I did have dishes, you can't even see them. They're just deep. I have a food disposal thermometer and hella cabinets. I'm thinking we could even put flowers, plants all along the top of this. All that. Microwave. But yeah, this is my lovely little studio. It's a quick video. My lovely leasing office, they sent me a little welcoming gift. This is super cute. Like, it's nice old leather styled pocket pal. And then I don't understand what these labels are, but and these cute little chocolates. Asi already helped herself to one. And then I've got hand soap and Dawn dish soap, laundry detergent. I have 3 bottles of laundry detergent. I need bleach. That's what I really need. And then Kleenex. So yeah, I'm excited. Stay tuned for a furnished apartment tour and watch the remodels as we go along the way in our lovely new home, a part-time home. Bye, guys.
Coming through these voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Change people, change feeling, change too.